Welcome guys, if you wanna change lock method on your Xiaomi Mi Note 10 Pro, enter settings, then scroll down and click on the passwords and security. And currently we got the password and the face unlock, so we can click on the password again, draw our pattern, and we will choose click on the change screen lock, and we will go for the pin. So it was 1 2 3 4 5 6 and click on the continue. Now just confirm it by typing again the same code, click on OK. And right now when we are going to lock our screen and unlock, we have to input our new, it was the face recognition, I forgot about that. So swipe and 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, and here we are. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up, comments and subscribe to our channel.